This is a Kenmore 80 series washer made by Whirlpool. If you have a problem where the washer fills and agitates but doesn't spin or drain, especially if it stops at this point in the cycle, the problem could easily be the door switch, the lid switch in here. You may find that if you put a plastic pen cap in here, that you can depress the switch and get the washer to drain. Inside of here is a switch assembly like this, mounted up with 2 screws. And a common problem, as you can see has happened on this one that I've replaced, is that the screw housings break out and the paddle then falls away and the switch doesn't get depressed. Getting access into this is pretty easy. There are 2 plastic caps on either side of the console. A little bit of prying at the bottom. I've already taken the screws out, so this one's easier to undo. But pry at the bottom, take the 2 side panels off, left and right. You'll find that there are 2 screws, left and right, that have to be removed. I've already done that in this case, since I can't do that one-handed. The console then hinges up pretty easily. Has to slide forward a little bit and then hinges up. And this will expose a couple things underneath here. A couple brass clips. A connector, which you have to disconnect. There's a little latch here. This disconnects. There's a little tang, which you can't see on this video, down in here. It's easy to get a screwdriver in and pry this apart. Pry this and get the clip loose. Don't lose the clips. Take out both clips, and then this whole upper assembly, 3 sides and the lid, just comes loose. You get access to the switch from the underside, and you can see what's wrong pretty quickly. If you need a replacement part, get the model number off the plate here. There are a couple different types of switches, different connectors up here, and then to reassemble, it's all just back in the same, the reverse order. And it's just that easy.